Everybody, I am your Prasad. Today's our topic is CISC characteristics and RISC characteristics. These two are topics from 5th unit. 5th unit, first chapter. Here, in the 5th unit, from the 5th unit, you will get direct questions. No complication will be there. Here in 5th unit, first chapter is RISC. RISC means, I already told you in my previous video, reduced instruction set computer. Show here, reduced instruction set computer. These letters have taken. R, reduced instruction. I, set S, computer. RISC means reduced, compressed. Olden days they will use reduced instruction. CISC means opposite to that, complex instruction set computer. This ISC are same, instruction set computer. Right? Come this side. You will get question like this. Say in previous year you got write about RISC characteristics, and before that year in the question paper, in external COA question paper, you got write about CISC characteristics, and you may get question like difference between RISC and CISC. So I made table like this, but I will tell you this side. If only RISC properties characteristics I have asked, write only this side, the 7 points. If they ask only CISC characteristics, write these points. If they ask both, difference between, write the whole table. Now I am explaining only this side, RISC properties. RISC stands for reduced, already told you, reduced instruction set computer. Reduced, compressed. Olden days reduced instruction set computer will be used for doing minimal operation, calculations and all. Nowadays we are using complex instructions. And second point, simple. Simple means reduced. Simple instructions requires a small number of basic steps to be executed. Here see, the keyword is small, means few. Simple, reduced instructions will be used. And here, third point, relatively few instructions will be involved. Relatively few instructions, less instructions will be involved. Because this is reduced instruction, few instructions are involved. This is keyword. Relatively few addressing nodes. Addressing nodes means junction points. Junction points will be there in RISC. Relatively few addressing junction points will be used. Here memory access is limited. It is limited, not more. Limited to the load, store and instructions. Right? Sixth point, all operations are done within the registers of the CPU. Registers are smallest memory part, so it is used limited point. Here seventh point is fixed length. Fixed length will be fixed because it is reduced. Fixed length easily decoded instructions format. Right? These are the 7 steps. If they ask RISC characteristics, write this side only. Here CISC properties. Here if CISC properties asked, this side points right. CISC stands for, I told you, complex instruction set computer. C stands for complex instruction set computer. Huge number of, large number of steps will be there. Nowadays computers are using these instructions. Second point, complex instructions involve large, see the keyword, large number of steps to be executed. Large number of steps to be executed, not small number. Here small number, there large number. Third point, a large number of instructions, typically from 100 to 50, around 100 to 150 instructions are used. Large, again keyword, large number of instructions, because it is complex, so large number. Fourth point, same means again large number. Large number of instructions that perform specialized tasks, specialized works are used in frequently, regularly they will use large number. Right? A large variant of addressing nodes used from 5 to 20 different nodes. Here they use large variant of addressing nodes. Addressing nodes means, already told you, junction points. Junction points. Here variables length instructions format are used here. Here variable length. Variables are having more zeros and ones, more number of steps, large number of steps, because it is complex. It is complex. And last point, instructions that manipulate operands. Here operands will be manipulated in the memory. So if they ask CISC characteristics, write this side. If they ask difference between these two, write these two. Write neatly in the exam. All the best. See, if they ask difference between RAC and CAC, you write like this. If they ask only one, write this side. If they ask only one, write this side. For your notes, pause this and write the notes. All the best for your